them. They wanted to tear everything open. Like, oh, get away from my grandma. Mom and get the camera going. Well, that's good. Not a lot of tape, but a lot of paper. Oh, cool! My Isn't that cool? That's cool. We saw that. Were you with us too?
No.
Yeah. Oh, so cool. Did you go back to there?
Yeah, and Melanie's the one that got him to take the sample off the wall, so you couldn't buy it. That's why we went back.
I went back to the shop after thinking about it, and I thought, okay, I still want it before we leave, so I was going to go back. And it was gone. In like the space of like 15 or 20 minutes, it was gone.
You want to say bye?
Bye, thank you. Oh,
Thank you.
is that like a bell? Yes, it is.
Oh, nice.
Hold on. Okay, sampling.
You're not sure how to do that.
Yeah, I'm not sure how it holds on there. But anyway, here it goes. Thank you. Oh, that's so cool. I'll find a very appropriate place to... Well, okay, I knew I'd figure it out eventually. That's
right.
right.
The other one's going.
Okay.